Hello friend, today we are going to show you our straight line wire drawing machine. This machine is drawing from 6.5 to 2.9 millimeter. And first is the wire take-up machine. This take-up wire payoff can hold in 2.5 tons of wire. And we use this pneumatic type wire take-up rack. It can put down easily with the air cylinder, and when you are input the wire, you can easily to operation. And on the top of the wire rack, there is a alloy guiding rollers. It can work longer. This is the closed type descaling machine. It can avoid the dust go into the air, protect the workers. Here is the drawing drums. The drawing drums is made by ZG45 cast steel, and we have tungsten carbide painting on the surface. All of the machine drums are water cooling when it's working, and that will make the machine, the drums, service life longer. Here is the rotating die box. Here the die will rotating here, so the drawing die will use longer. We use the diamond dies for 300 to 400 tons service life. And here you can control the machine for one drum working or all drum working. And here you can step control. This is the emergency stop. When you find one of the wire breaking or some wrong with the machine, you can just pull it and the whole machine will stop. The one drum is 2 tons weight, and it can use over 22,000 hours. This is the trunk type wire take-up machine, and there's easy payoff for holding the wire. You can also choose the spool coiler. The speed of this machine can reach 20 meters per second. This is the Schneider air switch and contactor. This is Inovance inverter, and this is Schneider air switch and the Siemens PLC and Delta power supply. This is the 22 kilowatt motor. You can also upgrade to Siemens brand.